Breaking stage news from Japan. A legendary video game rises again, this time in song, silk, and spotlight. The iconic all-female Takarazuka Revue has unveiled the first official photo from its upcoming Castlevania adaptation, Awakening in the Moonlight, and fans are already spellbound. Inspired by the critically acclaimed Castlevania, Symphony of the Night, the play stars Sitowaki as the brooding Dhampir Alucard, and Misaki Hoshizora as the fierce and graceful Maria, complete with her signature avian companion. Known for dazzling sets, soaring vocals, and heartfelt drama, Takarazuka brings a new twist to the gothic classic, with an original story crafted and directed by veteran Kei Suzuki. The production premieres June 7th at the Takarazuka Grand Theater in Hyogo, then heads to Tokyo on August 16th. Tickets range from just 3,500 yen to 12,500 yen and go on sale to the general public May 17th for Hyogo and July 13th for Tokyo. And while the play is currently exclusive to Japan, Konami's global tweet hints that Castlevania, Moonlight Awakening might just have international fans in its sights. A beloved game, a bold new stage. This summer, Darkness sings, and Alucard rises.